big energy user is your car. With gas prices as high as they are, that's a significant expense for most families and a significant source of pollution. Let's look at energy used in vehicles and think about how to use fewer resources to get around town. I've got a couple more scientists to help me out with this. I have Shannon and Kenny are going to help us out with the second sequence of experiments. And we're going to start it with this vehicle right here. This is a hovercraft. When I turn it on, blows air out the bottom. You can feel it. Oh, yeah. When I put it on the ground, that air collects in a little kind of pool underneath it. Kenny, give it a shove down the table towards Shannon, and Shannon grabs it and pushes it back towards Kenny. Now, the thing to notice about the hovercraft is this. Once you get it going, it doesn't take any energy to keep it moving. Give it a gentle shove. Gentle shove, and it's going. Now, it's got a kind of energy when it's moving down the table. It's got a kind of energy we call kinetic energy. So you put a little bit of kinetic energy in there, and then it freely slides down the table. And once we've given it a shove to get it going, we don't have to push anymore. Wouldn't it be nice if your car was like that?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, but there's a problem, and here's the problem. Can you give it a shove now? Ooh, doesn't go so far. What's the difference?
If there's no friction in there, it doesn't...
Friction.
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 Then it won't have any...
Exactly, there's friction, and the friction is slowing it down, and it's taking away our energy. And that's a problem with cars. Every time you're driving your car down the road, you have to kind of keep shoving it because we're losing energy to friction. Now, we're going to do a sequence of experiments with these little tiny cars here, which we power with generators. And these ones have a lot of friction. And it does charge up. Crank, there you go. Crank, 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 you're good. Okay, keep cranking. All right, you ready? We're going to do a race and see how far your two cars go, okay? Count of three. 1, 2, and 3. And you kind of both made it about to the end of the board. And what slowed you down was friction. If this was your car, that would be like putting gas in the tank. And when you get to the end of the board, kind of like running out of gas.